Hello everybody, hope you're all well and thanks for tuning in and watching this video. I'm Wayne, the Hungry Ranger, and as you can tell I'm in work, so I'm just starting to get a bit peckish now, and I brought something in, and it's crispy shredded chicken with special fried rice. It's in the kitchen, so come on over to the kitchen, I'll get it sorted out and you can join me. See you in a minute. There you go guys. Crispy shredded chicken, spicy, with special fried rice. So let's go and take a bite. Alright people, there you go. Now this is me and the good wife, Mrs. C. We got a Chinese last night, and this is what actually was left over. So it's pieces of crispy salt and chili chicken, crispy, with special fried rice. Now I've added a little bit of hot sauce and all to tang it up for myself, but that's basically what I'm eating. Good chunks of crispy chicken. I think sometimes it's better the day after. Good. Excuse me 1 minute. Sorry about that guys. Brilliant, eh? You have hours with nothing, then all of a sudden the phone rings. Bloody typical. Anyway, let's get back to this. Beautiful. That's so good. A little bit of char siu pork in there, no? How's everyone doing anyway? Hope you're all good. Milk. Something about salt and chili chicken I really love. A bit of egg as well. As I was saying the other day, that was bloody terrible what happened to Liverpool, eh? I'm glad that taxi driver actually got out alive. Remember what I said, especially to all the veterans out there, do not drop your security. Do not let these buggers beat us. We're stronger if we stick together. Got big chunks of chilli and all in that as well. I blame the government for all this. These refugees coming into our country are not vetted properly. Definitely not. Refugees, asylum seekers, whatever you want to call them. Now don't get me wrong, not every one of them's a terrorist. There are some decent ones out there who do just want to work. And to believe that he was actually a Christian before he got brainwashed. There we go again. 2 seconds. Alright, sorry about that, guys. As I say, you get nothing for hours then. Just as you're about to eat, some bugger calls. That's good. Well, Christmas will soon be on us, huh? Hasn't this year flown? That was good. Right. That's me. Thanks for watching the channel. And stick a mention down below, leave a comment. If you haven't subscribed yet, if you like the content, then subscribe. Really appreciate everybody that does that. So from me to you, big respect. God bless everyone. I'll see you all soon.